Hi all, my name is Tamia Fry-Ford and my major is risk management insurance. I originally transferred from Piedmont, Virginia Community College with guaranteed admission. Why did I choose VCU? I chose VCU because of all the wonderful opportunities as well as professional development that the VCU School of Business has to offer. I am here with Emily Fox to share how to apply to the VCU School of Business.
We accept transfer students in the fall semester and spring semester each year. We run on a rolling admission, so we do have soft deadlines, but we will review your application after these deadlines if you don't get your application in. The fall admission deadline is March 15th, and the spring admission deadline is November 1st. We require students to submit a transfer application, which you can find on the VCU admissions website, and it also includes an application fee. In addition, students are required to submit their official transcripts from every college or university they've ever attended. If you're under 22 years of age or you have less than 30 college credits at the time of application, you're required to also submit your official high school transcript as well as your SAT or your ACT scores. We have students apply with anywhere from 3 to 60 transfer credits, so there's no minimum credits that are required to submit a transfer application. We are part of the Guaranteed Admission Program with the Virginia Community College System, so this is a great program to take advantage of. We do recommend earning your associate's degree prior to transferring to VCU, but this is not a requirement for admission. We do have a 2.5 minimum GPA requirement, but this is not a guarantee of admission into the School of Business.
One of my main concerns when transferring from Piedmont, Virginia Community College to VCU School of Business was how my credits would transfer over. I was lucky that I found the Office of Undergraduate Recruitment helpful to me as I transitioned to VCU.
So we recommend sending along your unofficial transcript to us via email so we can let you know how your courses will transfer to the School of Business, or better yet, set up a pre-advising appointment to come see us on campus.
Thank you all for watching, and I hope this video is helpful to you as you continue your transfer journey.
Hope to see you on campus soon.
Bye.